Guys, this is Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we have the Google Pixel 3a in the house. So I finally pulled the trigger on picking this device up. I was indecisive if I wanted to pick up the 3a or the 3a XL. So I decided to go ahead and just get the smaller one. Got a pretty good deal. I turned in one of my old iPhones, got $250 off. And plus I'm getting the $100 to spend in the Google store. So not a bad deal. So actually this is my first Google phone, Pixel phone. Let me get this cut here. I'm cutting it all kinds of ways. Not following the, not following the line here. But this is my first Pixel phone. Now I have had other Google products. I had the Google Pixel book, but this is actually my first phone. So I'm very excited about having a Google phone, a Pixel phone. So here's what I get in the box here. Okay guys, so this is a pamphlet that you get, a little brochure here. If you want to use Google Fi, you're invited to use the SIM-free life. And on the inside of it, it tells you how to go about setting it up with your carrier and using Google Fi. I understand that it's a nice service. I've never used it before, but this pamphlet gives you all the information that you need to use it, so that's nice. So we get that, and we get the device, nothing else in the box. So here is the device. Let's get it out. So I got the just black one, and like I said, I'm very excited. Here's the back of it. I know you guys have seen all of these unboxings. But I wanted to introduce this to my channel. But first, let's go over a few of the specs in case, for some strange reason, my video is the first one you see. Okay, guys, so this features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processor. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM. This comes out of the box with 9.0 Pi. This also has a 5.6-inch Full HD 2220 by 1080 OLED touchscreen display. This has the 18:9 cinema-like screen ratio. This features a 12.2 megapixel rear-facing camera. It has an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. This also features night sight, which lets you capture rich, detailed color even in the dark. This has free unlimited storage with Google Photos. And the charge on this, the battery adapter, you can get 7 hours of battery power from only 15 minutes of charge. So it has some great features. Looking forward to using it. Let's get this cracked open and stop all this talking. So you got some little pull tabs. I've watched enough videos to know about the little pull tabs here. Okay guys, so I'm very excited about seeing this device for the first time. So here it is. And the first thing I feel, the weight of it is not too heavy. We'll check that out in a minute. Let's see what else in the box here. First thing we're greeted with is a little packet here. So within this, you're gonna have your SIM card ejection tool. You're gonna have your user's guide in here as well. As always, nobody ever reads that. I got some Team Pixel stickers here. So I officially made myself part of Team Pixel. And you also have your users, your safety and warranty information. I also have your charging cable here. Both ends are Type-C, which is good to see. And then we have our charging brick right here, which is quick charge. You can get up to 7 hours worth of charge with only 15 minutes of charging. So that is a nice feature that they have there, and I'm looking forward to testing it out. So let's go ahead and get all this stuff back together here, and then we'll take a look at the device. So here is the device, and I've always liked the way these look on video. I've never seen one in person, I don't think, but this is made out of plastic, what they're saying. So initial thoughts, it's a very compact device, as you can see. And here's the back of it. It's very glossy looking around it here. And here's the back. I really like the way the back of this look. Look like it's going to be a fingerprint magnet here, but you do have your fingerprint sensor here, your 12 megapixel front facing camera, rear facing camera with your flash, down and your power button. On this side, you do have your SIM card tray, 3.5mm headphone jack. Hey, microphone at the bottom. You do have a microphone, your charging port, and a speaker. And then this has a speaker in the earpiece as well. Now I do see some bezels on here, but that's cool. Feels good, man. It's a plastic phone, but it feels nice in the hand, man. So let's go ahead and power this up. Take a look at it. So this display should be great. Feels good in the hand. I'm going to drop my information in, and then we'll come back and do a little comparison, size comparison. We'll be right back. Anyway, I got my information in. I really love the size of this device. I was able to set up the fingerprint sensor, as you can see, open up right away. So this is what you get straight out the box. Welcome to your new Pixel. You can tap this for more information right here. Gives you a lot of getting started with your Pixel information here. Different things here that I'm not going to be looking at too much, but anyway, this is it. And then when you swipe over, you get your Google cards here, and then swiping up from the bottom, this is all you get right here as far as what's installed already. So I'm going to go in and see how much out of the 64. Now that may be the only thing I don't like too much about this. Only 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's not expandable. So let's see just how much is being used out of the 64 out of the box. So 12.94 gigabytes used out of your 64 right there. Now you do have smart storage. I'm not sure what this is. When storage is almost full, remove backed up photos and videos. You can still find them in Google Photos. So that's a way of keeping up with it. And then you have unlimited storage offered through Google. So here it is here. Let's see what kind of other wallpapers they have here. I don't like that one too much. Let's see. So you got landscapes, textures, life, art, earth, cityscapes, geometric shapes, keep looking, solid colors, and seascapes. So I'm going to go into the city here. I saw somebody had a nice one on theirs, and I want to see if I can find that. But all of them are colorful. The display looks good, man. I'm going to drop something on here. I don't want to keep the video going too long on an unboxing. But just kind of excited about it. Let's drop this one on there. Give it a little bit more color here. Set. So there it is. Right there. So, yeah, man. Let's do a little size comparison here. So here it is up against my iPhone XR. As you can see, it's a little bit taller than the XR, but it's not, they're about the same thickness, but the XR is definitely wider than this device is, as you can see. And this display, now this has Dragon Trail, I think it's called display on it, so it's not Gorilla Glass on it. So that's against the iPhone XR, and then against the big boy here, my Note 9. You can see the Note 9 is quite a bit taller and then quite a bit wider and about the same thickness, I would say. So, yeah, a couple of phones there to compare the size to. But anyway, guys, my first look at the unboxing and first look at the Pixel 3a. I like it so far. Feels good, man. It's not too heavy, and it's not too small right now. So, more videos to come on this. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.